Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Chromium browser from your Windows PC. Chromium isn't necessarily a malware program like a lot of people think. It's actually an open source software that can sometimes get installed along other programs. The issue with it is though, since it is open source, it can be made into a malware. The other thing is, it doesn't install like other programs, so you can't just uninstall it inside a control panel. And it'll also a lot of the time auto start with Windows, so it can get annoying. To remove Chromium, first make sure it's not running in the background. Right click in the taskbar and then choose Task Manager. Inside of the Apps section at the top, if you see Chromium, right click on it and then choose End Task. You can do this as well in the background processes below. Once you're done with that, close Task Manager and then open a new File Explorer window by choosing the folder in the taskbar. On the left side menu, choose This PC and then double click Local Disk C. Next, choose Users and then choose the current user that Chromium is installed on. If you have Hide Folders enabled, choose View from the top menu bar and then check next to Hidden Folders. This will then unhide your hidden folders. Now choose App Data and then Local. You will then see a folder called Chromium. Making sure that you ended any Chromium task in the beginning, you should now be able to right click on the folder and then choose Delete. If it gives you an error telling you that it's opened, make sure again in Task Manager that you've ended any Chromium processes. Once you delete the Chromium folder, it'll then be removed. One last place that you can look for Chromium folders if you still have an issue is inside of the Program Files folders. Head back to Local Disk C folder and then choose Program Files. If you see Chromium in there, go ahead and delete it. Go back and then do the same thing inside of the Program Files 86 folder. Also, if there's a desktop shortcut, you can delete that as well. And that's how you remove the Chromium browser from your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.